Hi everybody, today we are going to see about mosquito catcher, the parts of the mosquito catcher plus how to solve the problems in a mosquito catcher. What is a mosquito catcher? A device that attracts and kills flying insects which are drawn to light is commonly referred to as a mosquito catcher, as well as an electrical discharge insect control system, an electrical insect killer, or an insect electrolytor tag. Now we will see about three different types of mosquito catchers. So here we are going to open this mosquito catcher. The problem with this mosquito catcher is the fan is not rotating. So we will open this mosquito catcher and we will see what is inside this mosquito catcher. Plus we will also solve the problem. Now we are opening this mosquito catcher. You can see all the screws are opened. You can see at the top of the mosquito catcher there is a circuit here. You have different types of resistance, capacitor and other devices are there. Let us open the other side. You can see LED bulbs are there. The problem is with the fan that is not rotating. So we are going to open that fan system and we are going to identify what is the problem with it. So you can see we are unscrewing. Now the fan system is open. It is rotating. Now we can open this system. Before that I am checking with the system. Light is working but the fan is not rotating. So let me open this fan part and once again let me fit it correctly so that it works. Oh, there is a lot of dust in between this coil, that is why it is not working. So we can clean this part and we'll check whether it is working. Yes, now the fan is working. So we have identified the problem and once again we can connect the entire system. These types of problems can be easily rectified in home itself. So you can practice this so that you can save lot of money and time. After fixing the entire system, once again let us check whether it is working. If it works, then you have saved lot of money. Oh, it is perfectly working. Now let us open the second mosquito catcher. It is from another brand. Let us see what are the parts inside it. Afterwards we will see the third one also. So most of these mosquito catcher works with the same type of technology. So it is very easy to identify the problem. Now let us open this top. You can see this is a different type of circuit board that is connected here. So this is the bottommost part. Now let me open this fan system and we'll check how this fan system works. It is similar to the old one, but in this type of fan you cannot open and clean the coil. It is totally different. It is totally locked one. If you try to open it will be breaking. These are the parts of mosquito catcher. We have removed everything. This is the circuit board of mosquito catcher. You can see different type of resistors, capacitors, and other devices are there. This is the third one which we are going to open. This is from a new company, looks good, but anyhow we will open it and see what are the parts inside this mosquito catcher. It comes out with the filter, so that if the mosquito enters into that filter it cannot come outside. So this is a different type of system. Normally the flies are attracted to the light, and when it comes, this fan sucks and the flies and other insects will be falling inside this plastic hole. Due to the air pressure, the insects will die, and most of the insects and flies will be killed by this machine. It is a mosquito catcher and killer. Thank you. For more videos like this, subscribe our channel EduCrawl. You can forward this video to all your friends and relatives.